Hi, everybody. This is lesson 13 homework. We're on page 59 in your Succeed book. So I went ahead and wrote it there in case you haven't found it yet. We are going to be doing our subtraction problems with the chip model, just like we did in class. So we're going to be doing the vertical form on this column and our place value on that column. So I'm going to go ahead. This one has been started for us already. We're going to need to catch up with our vertical form. So I'm writing 42 minus 26. Be careful to line up my ones and my tens. And then I'm looking over here. They have put in 42. They didn't put in 26 because we are taking 26 out of the 42, not putting it in. We're taking it out. And it looks like when they examined 42, they saw that they could not take 6 away from 2. So they have unbundled or decomposed a 10, drawn their arrow, and made a group of 10 here. So now we need to adjust our vertical model. It has to look like our chip model. So we no longer have 4 tens. Now we have 3 tens in our tens column. And we no longer have 2 ones. Now we have 10 2 or 12. So I'm going to cross out the 2 and write 12. So now I have 12. I can take 6 away from 12. So I'm going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have left? 5 and 1 more. So 12 minus 6 leaves 6. That's one of those doubles facts you might already have known. 6 plus 6 is 12. So now I'm going to come over here to my tens. I had 3 tens, and I need to take away 2 tens. 1, 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So 42 minus 26 is 16. Excellent. Let's keep going. 54 minus 28. Oh, they've started this one for us too. Here is 54. So I'm going to write it vertically. 54 minus 28. And now I need to be a detective and examine my 54. Can I take 8 away from 4? I can't. I'm going to need to unbundle or decompose a 10. So I'm going to take that 10 from here and move it over to the one side and decompose it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I still have 54. I have 4 tens here and 1 10 here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. I haven't changed how many I have, just changed what it looks like. So now I need to change this side too. I no longer have 5 tens in my tens column, so I'm crossing out my 5 and I'm writing 4. I no longer have 4 in the ones column. Now I have 10 4, which is 14. So I'm crossing out my 4 and I'm writing 14. This looks just like this now. Now, I can subtract here. Can I subtract 2 from 4? I can, so we're ready to subtract. We have 14 and we want to take away 8. Doesn't matter which 8 you subtract. I'm going to take out that 4 and then this 4, and how many are left? 5 and 1 again. So 14 minus 8 is 6. I'm coming over here. I had 4 tens. I want to take away 2 tens. And that leaves 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 54 minus 28 is 26. We're doing pretty well. 60 minus 17. I've written my vertical form. They've already done the chip model for me. They have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So now let's put our magnifying glass and take a close look at 60. Can I take 7 from 0? Of course not. It's nothing. I can't take 7 from nothing. I'm going to need to come over here, take away one of these 10s, and decompose it or unbundle it and make it into ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And whatever I do here, I have to do here. So I no longer have 6 tens because I decomposed one. I'm crossing out that 6. I have 5 left. I no longer have 0 ones. How many ones do we have? We have 10. So now my chip model and my vertical form looks the same. I have 5 in the tens column and I have 10 ones. So now I know I can subtract my ones. Can I subtract my tens? Can I take 1 away from 5? I can, so we're ready to start. If I have 10 and I'm going to take away 7, 5, 6, 7, how many are left? 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. Coming back here, I need to subtract 5 minus 1. And 5 minus 1 is 4. So 60 minus 17 equals 43. If you need to pause for a second to catch up, go ahead. I'm going on to the second page. All right. So now they aren't going to draw it for us anymore, but that's okay. We can do it. We are going to write our problem vertically and make our place value chart with our tens and our ones. 31 minus 19. I need to model that. 10, 20, 30, 31. So now let's examine 31 with our magnifying glass. Can I take 9 away from 1? I really can't. I'm coming over to take a 10. I'm going to cross out that 10 and unbundle it, decompose it into 10 ones. Now this needs to look the same as this, so I need to come back and change it. I don't have 3 tens anymore in the tens column. I only have 2. And I don't have just 1. I have 11. So I know I'm good on the ones. Can I take 1 away from 2? Yes, so we are ready to subtract. I need to take 9 out of 11. So I'm going to take out 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are left in the ones? There are only 2 left. 11 minus 9 is 2. Coming over to the 10 side, 2 minus 1 If I take 1 away, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 31 minus 19 equals 12. Let's look at this B. 47 minus 24. Again, I'm going to need to draw my chips and my vertical model. 47 minus 24. I need to put my chips 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. I don't need to model 24 because again, I'm taking 24 out of that 47. I'm not adding it in. I'm going to take it away. So let's take a close look at the whole. Can I subtract 4 from 7? Can I take 4 away from that number? I can. Excellent. Looking at our tens, can I take 2 away from 4? I can. I think we're ready to subtract. 7 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 3. I need to do that over here too. 7 minus 4 is 3. On the 10 side, I have 4 minus 2. I need to take away 2. How many are left? 4 minus 2 is 2. 47 minus 24 equals 23. We didn't even have to unbundle a 10. Let's come back over here. 51 minus 39. My place value chart. My vertical form. First, I model 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens is 50, and then 1, 1 is 51. I'm going to take a look at that. Can I take 9 from 1? I'm going to need to unbundle or decompose and bring it over. So I take that 10 and I make it 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I still have 51, 10, 20, 30, 40, 51. I need to change the vertical form to match. So I no longer have 5 tens. Now I have 4 tens. And it's not 1, 1. I have 10 and 1, which is 11. Now we can subtract. I have 11 and I need to take away 9. I'm going to take 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 2 left. Oh, we did that up here. 11 minus 9 is 2. Now we're going to take 3 away from 4. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? Just 1. 51 minus 39 is 12. Let's take a look over here. 67 minus 44. I'm going to make my place value and my vertical form. First we model 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. And then we're going to inspect that number. Can I take 4 from 7? I can. Can I take 4 from 6? I can. I'm not going to need to decompose. I'm ready to subtract. 7, and I'm taking away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 6, take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 2. Excellent. We only have 2 more to go. It's my place value chart and my vertical form. 76 minus 54. First, I have to model. Oh, I forgot to write that up there. First, I have to model with my chips. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. Now, I need to examine. Can I take 4 away from 6? I can. Can I take 5 away from 7? I can. So, 6, I'm going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6, take away 4 leaves 2. 7, and I need to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leaves 2. So 76 minus 54 is 22. Excellent. Last one. Oh, I ripped my page. Here is my place value chart. And now I'm going to do my vertical form. 82 minus 59, always making sure we line up our 1s and our 10s. I need to start by modeling 82. So that is 8 10s and 2 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2 1s. 1, 2. So if we very closely examine 82, can I take 9 away from 2? No. I'm going to need to unbundle or decompose a 10, crossing it out, drawing my arrow to show me where it's going. I'm going to take that 1 10 and turn it into 10 1s. Excellent. Whatever I do to my chip model, I have to change over here. They have to match. So I no longer have 8 10s. I took 1 to decompose. So now I have 7 10s. I don't have 2 1s. I have 10 2, which is 12. So now this looks the same as this. I have 7 10s. I have 12 1s. So I can subtract 9 from 12. Can I take 5 from 7? All right, then we are ready to go. There are 12. I'm going to take away 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are left on my 1 side? 3. 12 minus 9 is 3. 7 minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 2. 82 minus 59 is 23. If you need to pause to catch up, go ahead, but otherwise, really good work today, everybody. Bye.